I'm scared. What was it all for? How long has it been? I don't miss them. The forest is calling me now. I can finally hear the birds. What was I just thinking about? Thoughts, just thoughts. No more. Exist in the moment. I'm just an ant. I'm a snake. I'm the jaguar. I am the tree. The forest is teaching me now to listen, to feel, and to embrace the unknown with open arms. It's time to let go, to surrender. I'm not afraid of forgetting, of being forgotten. I am not afraid of dying. I am a part of everything.